Hi, all. I'm wondering if you are as stressed as I am about education and what is going to happen in the next couple of years. I know that as a fine arts advocate, I am worried that some of these courses might get lost in the shuffle, but I also know that it is going to be more important than ever that we organize and that we coordinate. And I know that the parent voice is going to be incredibly important. As arts parents, we represent both sides of the aisle. We represent various backgrounds. We represent tons of different careers. And the one thing that we have in common and that we can unite around is fine arts education. And that these experiences that our children had are important and were vital to their overall education. The other thing that's going to be super important is data, and we have data. So please go to parentsforartseducation.org. We have flyers, we have social media posts, we have things that you can absolutely pull off of the website and share. And what this is also going to do is help show that you are not one person that is coming with this information, but we're all behind you as well. And it is a bigger movement and bigger organization, and it's all of us parents united. So please follow us on social media. We are on Instagram and Facebook. Like and share our posts so that we can be seen and we can hopefully get a little bit outside of the fine arts bubbles to the masses. And also, just all politics are local. So pay attention to what's happening in your districts, what your district's priorities and goals are, and look for data that falls in line with that. And make sure that we are all working together to ensure the next generation has strong fine arts programs in their schools. We can do this.